railfanning at Auburndale and Plant City, catching foam fests and more. My first catch of the day brings me to Payne Street at Auburndale, and it was CSX Freight M452 with ET44AH 3379 leading and SD70AC 4768 trailing seconds. If you notice this old Family Line system hopper car, you can see the old markings of SCL, standing for Seaboard Coastline Railroad. Anyways, back to 452. And I went to downtown Auburndale, and trains were dead. Anyways, I met YouTubers Amtracker Florida and Bentley the Floridian Railfan. Be sure to check out their channels. Anyways, the signal turned green for a southbound, and in a few minutes, L772 came with GECW44AC 408 in the old YN2 paint scheme, leading solo long hood forward, hauling 40 non-covered hopper cars. 'Just seconds after L772 ended, and the signal turned high green for northbound Amtrak Silver Star 98. And just like that, PO98's headlights were shining down the rails. Amtrak P42 83 was leading with ALC 42 375 trailing seconds. After 98 passed, and signals for southbound Amtrak Floridian 41 were green. Amtrak 41 came 40 minutes later with ALC 42 Duo 346 and 350. After Amtrak 41 passed, I moved south to Plant City to catch Amtrak returning from Tampa. And while waiting for Amtrak 41, I met YouTuber Chasing Trains Railfan, also known as Trainboy316. Be sure to check out his channel and subscribe to him. Amtrak 41 came back from Tampa at 2:35 p.m. 41 ended, and rail fans were telling me there would be a southbound CSX ethanol with BNSF power using symbol B631, which has not been used in over a year. And at 3:08 p.m., signals turned green for B631. And at 3:24 p.m., C6 B631 came with BNSF 7342 leading, 6892 trailing second, and rear DPU BNSF-9 4342. B631 ended, and I called it a day. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching.